Log into the app using the registered mobile number and key in the default password. Drivers can change their password under settings once logged in. Please take note that this app will take note of your location to track your activity. Ensure that GPS and notifications are enabled under settings. To accept jobs, tap Accept Job on available posted jobs. Tap on My Jobs page to view accepted jobs. If jobs are assigned specifically to drivers, they do not need to accept jobs. Tapping into a job will show more details, and any comments posted by the admin. Navigate to My Jobs or Optimize instead to start delivering. uRoute will automatically optimize the best route for you based on date, time and distance. You can use the Update Status button to update your picked up deliveries. In the Optimizer, tap on the location arrow icon beside jobs to link to Google Maps. This will show you the best possible route to get you to your destination. We have manual sorting feature where drivers can change the sequence of the route. If you change your mind, and want uRoute to optimize the best route for you, tap on Auto Optimize. When delivering, you can tap on the messaging icon at the top right corner to contact your admin. Use the camera icon to attach any images if needed. Update job status to delivered or undelivered. If undelivered, please choose the reason from the list. For delivered jobs, get the receiver signature, and upload a photo as proof of delivery. Tap the History tab to view completed jobs.